Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use my menu on SONY ZV-E10. First, what you need to do is open up the menu, then go to the last tab. First, what you need to do is add one of the items. I can go with panorama size, I guess. Add to this location, added. Now I'm gonna leave this and look, there it is, panorama size in your menu. Then if you want to delete it, just click on delete item, choose the one that you want to delete, click OK, and it's gone. If you want, you can also delete whole pages, delete all of the settings that you added to your menu, and you can also turn on display from my menu. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.